Welcome to Frankensight and our YouTube channel Ask Frank 15. Today with tcpdump we are going to look at more TCP flags options and also at logical operators in tcpdump. We've already looked at using the field values in a TCP packet header to filter for TCP flags. Now we are going to use a text-based option for filtering packets using TCP flags. A SYN packet can be filtered out using a filter which is set for TCP flags equals TCP SYN. Let's look at an example. Here we have tcpdump interface loopback TCP flags equals TCP SYN. So in our example, we've picked out the SYN packet from the curl GET request for a local site. Now let's look at doing the same thing but with ACK. Here we have several ACKs denoted by the dot. Both of these options require more characters than using the field values, but in case you're in a pinch and forget the values for the different flags, they are a good backup option. Now let's take a look at logical operators in tcpdump. The logical operators not, or, and can be used with tcpdump primitives, or in other words, to combine several tcpdump filter statements. A not statement or negation can be written as exclamation point or in text as not. The logical operator not has the highest precedence, and the operators and or have equal precedence after not. Let's look at an example. Here we have tcpdump interface loopback TCP flags not equal to TCP SYN. So in our capture here, we have no SYN packets. The AND statement, or concatenation, can be written as ampersand, or as text characters, and. Let's take a look at an example. In this capture filter, we use an AND statement to pick out SYN packets from port 80 traffic. And here we have a SYN packet from HTTP traffic. An OR statement or alternation can be written as two pipe symbols or as text characters or. Let's look at an example OR statement in a capture. In the capture we see SYN packets. We see SYN ACK and ACK denoted by our S for SYN, S dot for SYN ACK, and ACK just dot. Finally, Today, we're going to look at a combination of logical operators and TCP flag capturing techniques. Here is our TCP dump script. TCP dump interface loopback. We concatenate two statements. The first statement is a filter for SYN packets, or ACK, or SYNACK. The second statement filters for port 80 traffic. In the capture we see SYN, SYNACK, and ACK. And all is for HTTP traffic.